another video. You're probably wondering why all my cabinets are open. Yes, because this video right here is gonna be an organizing video. I'm gonna organize all of my cabinets, all of them. Yes, we're gonna get all this organized. So yeah, come in, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. For those who have subscribed, thank you. I appreciate the love and the support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this organization video, honey. I just wanted to show y'all my little hair. I did cut it shorter using that same method. So next time you get braids and you're ready to take them out, go ahead and get that flat iron and do a little bob or something.
I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Always told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so I decided to write. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. And when I write them, he better get it on time. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. And when I write them, he better get it on time.
I gave you. As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, 'cause we couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing love. I'll take yours and they'll lead us. But I don't need a lot of.
Okay guys, a lot of this video is going to be fast forward because I am listening to music while I'm doing this, and I don't want to get copywritten. Copywrote or copywritten? I don't know if it's copywritten or I think it's copywritten. I don't want to get copywritten. Yeah, I don't. So yeah, so I'm fast forwarding the majority of the video. Yes, I'm almost finished. Almost. I have to do the cabinets down below, which I will show once I get all this stuff off my counter and put in these cabinets, because this right here, honey, yes, we're almost finished. Okay guys, the songs that I get for my videos are from Simply Beats on YouTube, non-copyright music.
Hey yo, water boy. This shit wet.
We run it up for sure. That bitch gon' not know where we up. Run that shit, we at all the show. Say that shit for your camera roll. I did everything for it, so now we pull up with foreign though. Shot the top of the foreign now. We're about 2 or 3 foreign ho. Yeah, they calling us overseas. Didn't notice they noticed me. How the fuck am I supposed to see when I got purple glow on me? Since they calling us overseas, time to take over all of these scenes. Flashy nigga, I gotta be seen. Cannot stop, bitch, we cop everything. About to take over all of these scenes. In the midst of this shit, we believe. For the championship with a ring. We put up, it's a hell of a scene. Cannot stop, bitch, we cop. Call the fuck out my pocket. Bitch, I'm flying the sauce. Fuck your offer, we got many sauces. Cause we taking off for sure. Taking off all the losses. We see you gon' stop.
With the key. I write them, he better get it on time. I'm sending him 4-page letter.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
Got the kitchen organized. Looks great. I'm gonna be able to find things easy. I'll be able to know where things are. I'm gonna be a little confused in the beginning because I done put things places. I done found things. I done found all type of things that I forgot that I had stored away. Things that I had stored away. I'm about to put things to use. Okay, we about to get. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me organizing the kitchen. Yay! Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yes, make sure you're sharing the video. I appreciate everyone who's watching the video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up now. Yeah, and stay tuned for the next what video.
Say hasta luego, muy bien rapping kilo, snub nose.